Hi, I'm Stefan Martinovich, VP of Investments at Midwood Investment and Development. We're a nearly century-old real estate company actively investing in commercial and multifamily properties across the U.S. And if you're in this room, I don't need to tell you that commercial real estate is an ancient business that's been slow to adapt, filled with myriad interrelated documents managed by a slew of various counterparties, all with varying interests. At Midwood, we constantly struggle with how to manage our pipeline of the hundreds of deals that we see every month while ensuring seamless execution of those which we ultimately choose to transact on, only with millions of dollars hanging in the balance. When I met the team at AREX, I was struck by their deep understanding of the pain points plaguing commercial real estate's complex marketplace and of their vision for a digital future for transaction management in the world's most valuable asset class. I'm excited to introduce to you AREX's CEO, Miguel Linera, a consummate entrepreneur, not only with incredible hair, but the tenacity and vision to lead his team to deliver the 10x process improvement that the industry has been craving for, and to catalyze real estate's generational shift into the 21st century. All the way from Madrid, here's Miguel introducing the new standard for real estate investors, AREX.
Two years ago, while working in finance in London, my co-founder Pablo and I asked ourselves one question that I'm sure you've also asked yourself before. How can it be that the largest asset class in the world is transacted the same way as 50 years ago? And after digging deeper, we realized that the cause of this problem was a complex and outdated transaction process. My name is Miguel. I'm the CEO and co-founder of AREX Real Estate Technologies. And what we envisioned 2 years ago as a solution to this problem is today a reality in Europe and North America. And that is the first all-in-one software that allows frictionless transactions in commercial real estate. And this vision is changing the way business is done in real estate forever. The problem is something we all can relate to. Multiple participants, hundreds of emails, a dozen different tools, a handful of spreadsheets. And all this translates into a delayed sales cycle and hours upon hours upon hours lost on low-value tasks. Lost time is lost deals. And lost deals means lost money. Furthermore, for the past 20 years, no company has focused on creating transaction tools that are practical, usable, and intuitive, which is the main driver of the generational challenge the industry is facing today. Take a look at this. This, even if it looks like a Windows 95, this is 2019, and the new workforce that is coming will not continue using these outdated tools anymore. Actually, after hundreds of interviews, we confirmed that not even experienced professionals like you are willing to. So, how are we solving these problems? Today, we're introducing 3 innovative solutions for real estate. The first one, an automated workflow app. The second one, a user-friendly team collaboration tool. And the third one, a distributed and secure data storage system powered by blockchain. You said you want a revolution? Well, these are not 3 separate products. These solutions merge and integrate into just one product, and we have called it AREX Domus. AREX Domus is the deal enabler that empowers brokers, owners, and investors to close more deals faster and with superior user experience. AREX user-centric focus enhances your working time by minimizing manual interactions, automating parts of your transaction, and allowing you to do any kind of deal within the platform. You can lease, sell, acquire, finance, develop, you name it. If you can find the deal, AREX will help you execute it. Today, with AREX, we're also introducing the concept of dynamic due diligence, We have created a disruptive blockchain solution that saves you having to start the due diligence process from scratch every time you want to transact. And all this constitutes the first all-in-one software for commercial real estate. From now on, you will only use AREX. We monetize by being a B2B, tier-based software as a service. And on top of the European market, where we are already present, we are now tackling an opportunity that is worth $1.2 billion in Canada and the US alone. The good news is that we've already started to capture a piece of this pie. That's why more than $80 million are being transacted through our software. Companies with over $2 billion in assets under management are already planning to integrate us, and our idea has been validated and awarded by international institutions such as Colliers, Techstars, CBRE, Forbes, and the European Commission, amongst others. We are working on something big, and the timing is right. Today, I also have to talk about our funding round. Investors are also supporting us, and actually, our funding round has been oversubscribed thanks to the help of Techstars. And thanks to that, we are also continuing to achieving milestones. Today is also a day in which I'm announcing two major goals and milestones for the company. The first one is that during the course of this program, we've officially started working with Colliers Internationals and other clients in Europe and North America. The second one is that we've decided to move our headquarters from Madrid to Toronto, becoming a proudly Canadian company with global reach. Thank you. And of course, for this journey, I'm not alone. We've assembled an extraordinary team with experience in top-class firms such as Goldman Sachs, Deloitte, and CBRE. From the product perspective, we're also a team of experienced entrepreneurs with validated success. And here we are now, 2 years later. And we are in a unique position with funding, revenue, and international clients and partners who back our vision. A revolution in how commercial real estate is transacted is long overdue, and we're already making this a reality. Help us shape the real estate market of the future. Thank you very much.